Yeah, good day everyone. Go by the name Skyward. Please, you can see this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, if you be following my video, you will know I have a software for say a affiliate marketing traffic generating software, and which has been giving me excellent results for a while now from my previous videos and the video you are seeing now. This is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing fine already. Yeah, my software work by gathering this online from search engines and from digital platform and promoting your link or platforms to this leads so that I can get sales. And it is very effective, which I have been using over the years now, and it's also my software also gave me the results you can see on the screen. And remember, one of the backbone or one of the important things you need to have or you need to be involved in while into affiliate marketing is where you get your traffic and your leads from, because those are the people that will purchase your service and access your goods. And that is where I come in, because this my software is up for sale now, and it is available for any serious student, any serious affiliate marketer out there. And remember, my software is not applicable to ClickBank alone, but this is my own. This is one of my students' ClickBank profile which I created for him, and he's doing fine after I got my video course and software. So you can also use my software for other affiliate marketing platforms, which is one of the unique features of the software. So to get the software today and video course and start earning real good like the results you are seeing on the screen, contact me on my Gmail at skyward7@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward7@gmail.com or text me through this number you can see on Telegram. Remember, if you not learn, you won't earn. And it is not about the hard work and the amount of struggle or the hard work we put into the business or to the work, but the amount of smart work and the chances you take. Because affiliate marketing has really gone far now. It's not really about how much link you can share or how much hard work you put into, but how much resource you have and the chances you are taking in this game. So to get my software and video course today and start earning really good like the results you can see on the screen, contact me on my Gmail at skyward7@gmail.com or text me through the number you can see on Telegram. Text me on my Gmail at skyward7@gmail.com or text me through this number you can see on the screen on Telegram. Thank you.